Welcome to a new chapter in the Straumann history. The BLX is close to launch, where we enter a totally new segment, the segment of immediacy. But this whole story led us here to Sofia, the capital city of Bulgaria, where we meet one of our main characters of our story, which is right behind us. In about half an hour, we're gonna meet the whole crew, where we all go together to the Prime Studios, where we meet our second character, which is the little girl, which is the opponent of our big lion. Join me. Welcome to the Prime Studio of Sofia. So, welcome back. We are now at the Circus Orient, and we now go inside and I'll show you a couple of things. Right in to the left of me, there is some people preparing all the shots for tomorrow.
Schuss 1. Ja, von oben.
So here we have our main character of the movie, obviously the lion. He can still bite. Can they go down?
This year.
So now it is 12:05. We started at 8 o'clock. The final shoot is over and everything's in the box.